Problem number 4, sales of a new t-shirt style are shown in the table below. These sales were recorded at 2-month intervals for 1 year, and the values for sales of a new t-shirt style are given in thousands of dollars. So M, the months, so month 2, month 4, month 6. Okay, so we don't need to make any adjustments to our data in our table. We're going to go ahead and clear our tables. Highlight list 1, clear, enter. Highlight list 2, clear, enter. Enter the data: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 56, 64, 62, 53, 43, and 18. Let's calculate our regression, our quadratic regression. Again, store it in Y1, vars, Y variables, function mode, Y1, enter, enter. Now let's go ahead and write it down. So we have f of x equals negative 0.88 x squared plus 8.57x plus 42.7 with an r squared of 0.991, which again shows us that we have 99% accuracy in terms of our quadratic model of our data. And it says, using the regression equation, estimate to the nearest $1,000 sales for month 11 of the year. So there's a couple of different ways we can do this. Let's go ahead and delete that one there. Let's go ahead and, using our data, already plot 1 selected, let's go to zoom 9 so we get a good picture of the current data. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways to find the value of the function. So the value of the function is the what is it? Sales. The sales are thousands of dollars. So just to make sure we interpret this correctly, at the month 2 mark, there were this store. Okay, we'll assume it's a store. This store sold $56,000 worth of t-shirts. And in month 4, so in April, the store sold $64,000 worth of t-shirts. This is sales we recorded, values for sales. So the values for sales, that would be the amount of money that was brought in these particular months. So what we want to know is, we want to know at month 11 what that is right there, what the sales were at month 11. So we can do this. We can go second calculate. We're going to calculate the value of the function. Value is already selected, so we can hit enter. And when x is equal to 11, we can see right there that the value right here is 30.55. So we would write f of x, f at 11 would be about 30, what did I say, 30.55? 30.55 thousand, and it's again thousands of dollars, and so what does that look like? So we're going to, if it's 30,000, then we're going to move the decimal place over 3 spots. So 30.55, we still move the decimal over 3 spots, and we get $30,550 is the estimate for the amount of sales in the 11th month. Let's see, is that right? Sales were at 2-month intervals for 1 year, and the value for sale given 1,000. 2-month. Okay, so in 2-month intervals, it's hard to understand what this really means. These sales were recorded at 2-month intervals. So I guess what it means, like I said, at the 2-month mark, in month 2, so in February they sold. That's how I'm interpreting this. I guess we could interpret it as a little bit differently. Like, for example, perhaps in the first 2 months, $56,000 was made by the sale of these t-shirts, and then in the next 2 months, $64,000. But I'm interpreting this as just 6 times during the year they're recording the number of sales, the amount of sales for that particular month. So this is February. April, June, August, October, December. So in November, though, that's what we're asking. That's what we're being asked, and that's how I'm interpreting the problem, and so that's what my answer is. And that's it.